Tomi K and the Town Cats. She introduced to Miss Me. Come on the scene, she represent for them TC, them soldiers. They desperate for any day that go bad doom. I make sure we on the same page, don't miss me. When she on her shit now, but them other bitches on bigger lie, had the power with the TC. Fuck y'all, suck dick, yo, hell, we'll need that. The tongue on our gap, nothing else be said. All she keep it a real. Also, I brought my twin sister, Miss Portia P. She always have my back for sure. They can't take away from Miss Portia P. She always have my back. They won't matter what. She always came with a stick. Then shoot out them bitch off my back. I don't even trust nobody but the TC and Tomi. She always locked the bait. To hold me down, they till nothing left. Leave no crumbs on the ground. Just like some roaches, they smell like fishy. I don't trust nobody else. They always had a love for me. I know my sister always hold me down. Miss Me and Miss Portia P. That's them twin sister come at the TC click. And none of them other bitch shit had the problem. Fuck you, get over them. We don't need all that. The nigga energy, I don't trust the process. That's why I say to myself, I got my twin sister always have my back, hold the courses up. The bargain is get too high. I don't trust it, but I can't. The Tomi said I could do it. Miss Portia P saying the same thing too. She always have somebody back, especially Miss Me. They stay strapping up. They hold the TC down. We came here by ourselves. Ain't nobody on the end of the room that get stumped out. Pussies.